Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Safriel Labagustawan and I'm gonna explain to you about recruitment and selection in HR management. First is recruitment. Recruitment is a process of identifying and screening, shortlisting and hiring potential resources for filling up the vacant position in an organization. It is core function of human resource management. Recruitment also refers to the process of attracting, selecting, and appointing potential candidates to meet the organization resource requirement. It sorts the candidates with the abilities and attitude which are required for achieving the objective of an organization. The hiring of the candidates can be done internally within the organization or from external sources, and the process should be performed within a time constraint, and it should be cost effective. Recruitment is one of the most fundamental activities of the HR team. If the recruitment process is efficient, then the organization gets happier and more productive employees. Attrition rates reduce, it builds a good workplace environment with good employee relationship. The last is it results in overall growth of the organization. Now I'm going to explain to you about the recruitment process. The first is recruitment planning, where the vacant positions are analyzed and described. The second is strategy development, where a strategy is prepared for hiring the resource. The third is searching. It's the process of the recruitment, where the resources are sourced depending upon the recruitment of the job. The last is screening. The fourth is screening, the process of filtering the application of the candidates for further selection process. The last is evaluation and control. The effectiveness and the validity of the process and methods are assessed. Now I'm going to explain to you about selection in HR management. Selection is the process of the picking or choosing the right candidate who is the most suitable for a vacant job position in organization. In other words, selection can also be explained as the process of interviewing the candidates and evaluating their qualities, which are required for a specific job, and then choosing the suitable candidates. Why is it important? Because selection is hiring good resources can help increase the overall performance of the organization. In contrast, if there is a bad hire with a bad selection process, then the work will be affected and the cost incurred for replacing the bad resource will be high. Now I'm going to explain to you about selection process. The first is employment interview. It's a process in which one by one session in conduct with an applicant to know a candidate better. The second is reference checking, is a process of verifying the applicant's qualification and experience with the reference provided. The third is medical examination. It's a process in which the physical and the mental fitness of the applicants are checked to ensure that the candidates are capable of performing a job or not. The fourth is final selection, is the final process which proves that the applicant has qualified in all the rounds of the selection process and will be issued an appointment letter. And I'm going to explain to you the differences between recruitment and selection. First, recruitment is defined as the process of identifying and making the potential candidates to apply for the job, while the selection is defined as the process of choosing the right candidates for the vacant position. The next is recruitment is called as a positive process with its approach of attracting as many candidates as possible for the vacant job, while the selection is called as negative process with its elimination or rejecting of as many candidates as possible for identifying the right candidate for the position. Both recruitment and selection work hand in hand and both play a vital role in the overall growth of an organization. That's all. Thank you very much.